As for all incubators, a periodic cleaning procedure is recommended for routine maintenance. Since the incubator does not run with humidified environment, conditions for growth of fungi and bacteria are very poor and almost not existent. However, at any concerns contamination or any visual spillage, it is recommended to perform a cleaning procedure like the one demonstrated in this video. If your EmbryoScopes are running from software version 7.8, and if you have more than one EmbryoScope Plus or EmbryoScope 8 or a mix of these, you can continue to culture these dishes in another equipment during the cleaning of the instrument. Use gloves during the cleaning procedures. To clean the outside surfaces of the EmbryoScope Time-Lapse incubator, wipe off with lint-free tissue wipes with distillated water. Then use 70% alcohol and complete with distillated water again. When it comes to clean the EmbryoScope inside, all dishes must be removed and temporarily cultured in another incubator. The EmbryoScope Time-Lapse incubator must be turned off during the cleaning. Many clinics perform the cleaning procedure in combination with the half-yearly closure of the clinic. In case of an accident, oil or medium spillage, it is strongly recommended to perform a cleaning immediately. Remove all dishes one by one and place them in another incubator before cleaning the instrument. Once the EmbryoScope is empty, press the setting button on the home screen. Press shut down and then press shut down computer. Turn off the main switch located on the back of the instrument. Press the blue emergency button to unlock the load door. Open the load door by pressing the white button. Remove the white load area frame and clean it with distillated water. Then 70% ethanol. And at last, distillated water. On the culture dish holder, use lint-free cotton buds. On all other internal surfaces, use lint-free tissue wipes when cleaning. To make sure to clean all elevated areas on the disc-shaped dish holder, use distillated water, then 70% alcohol, and at last, distillated water in the end. Manually rotate the culture dish holder to the next position until all positions have been cleaned, including the area for external temperature measurement. Leave the load door open long enough for all alcohol fumes to dissipate, minimum 10 minutes. Reinsert the white load area frame and close the door. Turn on the main power switch on the backside of the incubator. Let the EmbryoScope Plus incubator run for at least 3 hours to make sure the temperature and gases are equilibrated in all parts of the instrument. Before reinserting any culture dishes, perform an external validation and eventually calibration of the environment. Videos of the embryos temporarily cultured in another incubator will be linked to each other, but of course with a break of some hours. And as mentioned earlier, if you move the dishes to continue culture in another EmbryoScope or ES8 time-lapse incubator during the cleaning, the time-lapse videos will be intact without any breaks. Thanks for watching this video.